This shows a T2R and a T2L without twisting the top stitch. So the top stitch will not be twisted, but on the T2L, the bottom stitch will be twisted. This is the T2R first. So with my right needle, I'm going to reach past this first stitch on my left needle and knit into the second stitch. Neither stitch is going to come off of my needle yet. Now I'm going to knit into the first stitch. And now both of my stitches will come off my left needle, and I have a right leaning twist. To do a T2L, reach with your right needle behind the first stitch on your left needle and knit the second stitch through the back loop. Do not remove either stitch off of your left needle. And now knit into the first stitch on your left needle. And now both of those stitches can come off of your left needle, and you have a left leaning twist.